Congratulations! Congratulations on your wedding day today, Kuya Bricks and Rian. And wishing you all the best and God bless your marriage. Congratulations again. And here's Shane. He will going to say something to you. And I wish you good luck on your wedding day.
Kuya Pogi, you be very good to Ate Rian and have a good marriage. Best of luck in the future.
Oh, well done, Shane. Okay. How about Ninong Roger?
Congrats to both of you. Kuya Briggs, Ate Rian. God bless to both of you.
How about you, Jeremy?
Congrats, Kuya Pogi, Ate Rian. You will make wonderful babies. Good luck for the future.
And congratulations again. Sorry, we missed your wedding, pero definitely sa church wedding nyo, we will going to make it. So enjoy your day. God bless, and regards to everyone. Catch you up soon. Bye.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Bye. Yay.
Hi! Hello! Pilipinas! Mabuhay! Greetings from Pangasinan. A pleasant and wonderful evening to each and everyone. Congratulations to the newlywed, to Bricks and Rayan. And so with the parents of the grooms and the bride as well. Congratulations! Maring Babe, Paring Eric, official na ngayon ha. Maring Babe, ikaw talaga, oh. Naalala ko pa nung araw, nung nandito ka sa Libya, tumatawag si Briggs sa'yo. Hello, ma. Ako naman nandyan sa tabi mo. Nakikinig. Sabi mo, oh, kumusta ka, ma? Okay lang. Eto, si Ninang Maribel mo. Ako naman, akala ko seryoso. Ganyan ako, hello, Briggs. Hi! Ngayon, nagkakamustahan. Yun pala. Loko-lokohan lang akala ko. Biro-biruan lang yun. Yun pala, naging totoo. Naging official pa ngayon. But anyhow, it's a great pleasure and honor for me that you choose me as one of the godparents. The only message that I can give to the new couple is that marriage is a commitment, a decision to do throughout your life that will express your love for one's spouse. You know, Briggs and Rian, marriage is never be a 50-50. It always be 70-30 or 60-40. That's the atmospheric pressure of the marriage couple deal with the marriage life. Someone falls in love first. Someone puts someone else on pedestal, but someone tries to work hard to make things rolling smoothly. There's no such as what you call this one, perfect marriage. But if you want to make your marriage a fruitful and successful one, mind you, Bricks and Rian, you will always be fall in love many times, but always with same person. As you exchange your vows and got your ring, remember it not always be uniting as a one couple, but as a partner in love and a lifetime partner as well. As you exchange your vows and have your rings, and as you say I do, oh, may your love fill with love, laughter, and happiness in this world. Once again, congratulations and best wishes to both of you. I'm so sorry I could not be there, but I'm sending you so much love and so...
Hello! My simple message is to my inaanak, Briggs and Rayan. As you both start this new chapter in your lives together, may your love for each other continues to grow stronger every day. May you always to cherish and support each other through ups and downs. Remember to communicate openly and honestly, to be patient and kind to each other, and never stop sharing laughters, happy moments together. May your marriage be filled with wonderful adventures, especially you bricks, and share unforgettable memories and a lifetime love forever. Congratulations and best wishes. Ninong Eddie.
Okay? Dito po yung mga ninong. Ninong po, kaya po kayo na pwede yung partneran. Dito po. Sige po, okay lang po yan. So para po maganda lang po yung entrance natin. Sa parents po ng ating newlywed, dito po tayo. Okay na yun. Dito po tayo, parents po na lang po.
Wala ka dyan na yun. Wala, tita, tigmanahan.
Okay. So, 3 years na ba yun? Kayo ba'y nagsama na sa isang bubong? Hindi pa. Puro bisita lang. Bisita iglesia. Anyway, siyempre, sa 3 years po na yan, siguro naman po, naging very close po kayo sa isa't isa. Definitely. Diba? And yung 3 years na yun, ang tawag dyan ay parang adventure ninyo. Diba? Ngayon, journey na. No? Totohanan na. Po, wala nang atrasan. Ha? At siyempre,